Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Discovery Dynamic HSE finished in the very stylish Carpathian Grey. It's a 3-litre diesel and it does come equipped with full service history. It's sitting on those stunning 22-inch diamond turned alloys. And showing the practicality of the vehicle now, it does come equipped with 7 seats. These can be easily lowered to provide a huge amount of practicality. No trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams in. Moving to the interior now, you have got the Ebony Windsor Leather finish. Outer rear heated seats there as well, perfect for use on those colder days. Memory function for the front seat, as well as Meridian surround sound system and a very well represented dashboard, I'm sure you'll agree. You've got the sliding front and fixed rear panoramic sunroofs that add a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. And as we're taking a seat inside, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, working in hand with your parking aid, ensuring full confidence. Great climate front seats, perfect for use all year round, and a huge range for the features with a simple touch. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.